Not only is there a flip side to everything, but there is also essentially and fundamentally two different types to everything. Everything is divided into the paradoxical division and productive, counterproductive composition and capability for the execution and practice and exercise of both the good and the evil at the same time. Not only are our inventions capable of doing, executing, producing all the goods in the world, but they're also capable of tremendous harm, evil, anyways, to us in one way or another. And similarly, not only are the human beings a different biology, psyche, psychology, organism in themselves, but everyone is essentially also different from each other. Everyone is a different capacity. Everyone has got not only their own sovereignty, freedom, understanding, independence, talent, skill, ability, knowledge, intelligence, character, which can be considered to be all the good and positive and moral, meritorious qualities. But everyone is also essentially in possession of all the evils, vices, and the capacity for unjust unfairness, anyways, in one way or another. So, obviously, we are the composition of both good and evil, right and wrong, fair and unfair, light and dark. And that is not only subjective, mental, psychological phenomena, that is also executed literally at every step of the way to our ignorance or unawareness in our actions, behaviors, habits, ideologies, relationships, the application and exercise of both the paradoxical combinations and flip sides of good and evil. This inevitable contradiction, composition, and division in actions is always present. So everything is twofold. If everything is essentially twofold with the flip side of evil, wickedness in itself, then all of our innovations and creations and ideas of competition, habit, behavior, hobby, relationship, desire in the world have also got their fundamentally respective essential flip sides, and that is the bad side, which we don't want to consider, which we don't even want to recognize or admit to in ourselves, because we always believe we have got the capacity and capability for all the humility, compassion, high-mindedness, greatness, charitability, philanthropy, kindness in the world, and many other virtues, that we have no capacity whatsoever for any injustice, infamy, notoriety, evil, disrespect, arrogance, pretense, and other bad things anyways. But obviously, we are the combination of both. So obviously, there is positive competition and negative competition in the world. There is positive, negative desire. There is habit, which is productive, counterproductive, and being able to be energetic always in a positive, and also being able to adhere to the good in life, both outside and inside, is very difficult. That is something only few men, women,